My state not be for sale. Caleb Mutfwang. Welcome country people to Senok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification button. It go give you alert once we drop updates. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. Plateau State Governor Caleb Mutfwang he don downplay speculations say he wan defect from the People's Democratic Party (PDP) to the ruling All Progressives Congress. Mutfwang he tok dis one amid the calls for am to dump the PDP and move to the APC because of a recent meeting wey he do with President Bola Tinubu. For one media chat, Mutfwang come explain how he win the 2015 governorship election for Plateau State even when he be just local government chairman. He come insist say he no go fit betray the people and im party. He say he no go dey reasonable to betray the people when he don stand by the PDP. That na why he say he dey always dey talk say in political future na God go decide am and the people of Plateau State. He say wherever Plateau people go, that na where im go go. He say for them, this no be even matter for discussion. He say im be bona fide member of the PDP and he remain so. And im dey very optimistic say very soon the crisis when he hit the PDP, it go be a thing of the past. He come talk say he gets 2 or 3 groups when he dey peddle that rumor. He say one of those groups, they dey well intentioned. They know say the APC not really exist for Plateau, and in dey talk am with every sense of responsibility. He say they enter government by fraud for the past 8 years. He say in 2015, they no even win that election. He say na because of the anger for the PDP na lead many PDP people to do anti-party activities. He say but even then, the APC still not win. He say that time him be local government chairman. He say they adjourn the coalition by 8 p.m. to resume the next morning, but by 2 a.m. when he wake up to urinate, he see say they don declare result.